Stop relying on store-bought salad dressings and learn to make your own. All you need is a simple formula, and here it is from canolaeatwell.com. It spells it out 2 to 1 to 1. That means 2 parts of oil, 1 part acid, and 1 part emulsifier. You can choose from flavored oils like sesame, olive oil, or coconut oil, or you can choose a workhorse like canola oil, which has a neutral flavor and will be a great carrier for all these other ingredients. For the acid, there are tons of options. You can use lemon or lime juice. You can use rice wine vinegar, red or white wine vinegar, or something sweet like a balsamic vinegar. They're going to add different acidity and different flavor profiles. The emulsifiers add flavor and bind the oil and vinegar. Common emulsifiers are honey, Dijon, or any type of mustard, and nut butter or tahini. Then you have your seasonings. It can be hot sauce or soy sauce, dry seasoning mixes, salt, pepper, spices, and of course fresh herbs and aromatics like ginger and shallots and garlic, which just add amazing flavor. I just love all the different options that are available with just a few simple ingredients. So grab your jar and come back tomorrow, because we are starting with a classic, an Italian vinaigrette. If you want a head start, visit canolaeatwell.com, get the formula, and see it applied to so many tasty recipes.